Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on FXPesa. And from here we just created our account by clicking here on create account, and we just created a demo account, and right now we want to trade with this account. So what we're gonna do is we click here on the three dots and then we click on launch MQ web trader, and then he is launching the web trader right here. And now we have here the chart. So the symbol that we have right here is Euro and USD, and now the trades can start. So what we're gonna do right now is we click here on new order, and then from here we can select the symbol that we want to trade with. Then after that we click here on the volume, so let's say 0.05, and then after that we can click on sell or buy by the market. We can also create a stop loss by clicking right here on placing the stop loss here on the chart, and we can also click here on take profit to take profit when the price is high. So decide which one you want to use, and after that click on sell by market or buy by market. Okay, let's do an example. So we close this and we immediately buy something. Now let's say we buy this. Then we do it again and again. And now we just opened our position a few seconds ago. And if you want to close this, we click here on the cross and on the cross again. And now the positions are gone. So this is how you trade on FXPesa. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.